Democratic Congressman Khanna from California, member of the House Oversight and Accountability Committees. Good to see you, Congressman. So, as promised, Republicans blocked that latest attempt to get the Supreme Court to adopt an ethics code. On what grounds did Republicans disagree with the ethics reform bill, and what options are left now for Democrats?
Alex, it makes no sense. Look, every member of Congress, every senator is limited to $50 for a gift. And here you have reporting of private schools, yachts, private vacations being paid for by friends and associates who have business before the court. Of course, there should be a code of ethics that says you can't accept those gifts. But the Republicans are unwilling to hold the court accountable.
But isn't there a code of ethics in place that they're supposed to adhere to? Although the argument could be that they're supposed to police themselves. It's kind of like the fox guarding the hen house, right?
There is a code, but that code is totally insufficient. It does not ban gifts. It doesn't even have concrete disclosure requirements or any enforceability of that. And you have this case where you've got Justice Alito, he's flying a Stop the Steal flag. That's what the flag upside down represents. And then he's adjudicating a case about January 6th of whether the election was stolen. Now, he says that was something that his wife did. Fine. He can't tell his wife what to do. I can't tell my wife what to do. But that's not the issue. The issue is if you have a flag like that, can you be a judge in the case? Imagine if you had a referee in the an NBA championship that was flying a Celtics flag outside their house. I mean, would we say, okay, you can be a ref? It makes no sense.
Well, isn't the point to avoid the appearance of impropriety, to your point? An appearance, even?
Absolutely, Alex, and that's why I've been very careful in the hearings we've had to say it's a conflict of interest. I haven't said, okay, this is a quid pro quo corruption without the evidence, but it creates a conflict. And in every other area of life, whether it's sports, whether it's financial, we don't allow these conflicts, and that's all we're asking for with the Supreme Court.
So here's what Democrats or Congress can do. You've proposed legislation to establish 18-year term limits for justices, but as you know, this would require a constitutional amendment. So how realistic is that?
Well, actually, Alex, it wouldn't require a constitutional amendment. The judges are allowed to serve for life under the Constitution, but they don't have to be on the Supreme Court for life. The average age of retirement at the Supreme Court is 78. Why not have them serve back on a circuit court or a district court? This would make sure that people on the Supreme Court were in touch with the facts of modern life.
Okay. Well, getting in the weeds, and I appreciate the clarification there, because it was always presumed it would be having to put forth a constitutional amendment. Thank you very much, Khanna. We'll see you again, no doubt.